Hello YouTubers, how do I mount a good, safe, strong gun mount or gun rack in my Can-Am Defender side-by-side? This is a cab, so I have a headliner and a little plastic dash that hides the framework of this side-by-side. I call it a buggy. So what I did, I looked at all the choices out there, and most all of them require the round roll bar to mount to. And since I don't have that, and I don't want to mess up the pretty headliner, and I don't want to destroy this little dash, I came up with, I made two L brackets out of steel. They're 2 inches wide, 3/16 inches thick. It goes up in here. It's L-shaped. It slides in a little pocket. I took the screw out that holds the roof on, so I didn't have to drill any holes. And so it goes up in there where it holds the roof. I removed the nut and the bolt. This takes place of the washer and the nut. Slides in the bolt. When you remove this, you'll see it. There's a bolt that holds the cab roof down. And it really wasn't a real nice little setup. Well, this is a 2 inches wide washer, you might say, and the nut is a thick piece of steel. I welded on top of it, drilled and tapped it for, I think it's an 8mm bolt that holds the roof to it, and it makes it very rigid, very strong, and I didn't have to drill or mess up the buggy at all. And there's the second one, and then it's comprised of a flat bar that's 1/2 inch wide and 3/16 inch thick, same as the L bracket. And on it slides 2 Santa Cruz SC-6 gun locks. They have a manual key override on the lock. But the really cool thing is it's electronic. Now listen, hear that? When I push a hidden button, it releases the locking mechanism, so then I just lift this up. Sorry, I have to do that one-handed. So there. And the way it's mounted, when it's unlocked, the gun isn't going to fall. It stays up in there rock solid. I can lift the gun out, and that shows what the Santa Cruz gun locks look like, empty. The little Allen screw that holds them in place goes right there, and when this is locked, you can't access it. Of course, when there's a gun in there, you can't access it either. Flip those up. My cab's all nice, smooth, neat. If I hit the electronic switch, the unlocking switch, when it's empty, it's really cool. The gravity just pulls those through. That's it. That is my do-it-yourself Santa Cruz SC-6 gun locks that I've mounted in a Can-Am Defender that has a cab with a headliner and a little plastic dash, and I've used a hidden or remote little button switch to unlock it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it if you will hit like and subscribe.